Commanding respect without speaking is an essential skill which benefit you in many ways, such as effortless influence, unwavering confidence, inner peace and fulfillment, and so on. In this video, we are going to learn exactly how to achieve this. Put video on full screen mode and stay till the end. Number 1. Carry yourself with purpose. Imagine a person entering a room, their shoulders squared, chin held high, and a sense of quiet confidence radiating from every step they take. That, my friend, is the essence of carrying oneself with purpose. It's about exuding an aura of self-assuredness and determination that leaves an indelible mark on those around you. But carrying yourself with purpose goes beyond mere posture. It's a mindset, a way of life. It's about knowing who you are, what you stand for, and where you're headed. When you have a clear sense of purpose, you become like a magnet, drawing admiration and respect from others effortlessly. Consider the story of Malala Yousafzai, the Pakistani activist who, despite facing immense adversity, remained steadfast in her pursuit of education for girls. Her unwavering commitment to her cause not only earned her the Nobel Peace Prize, but also the respect and admiration of people worldwide. So, how can you cultivate this sense of purpose in your own life? Start by reflecting on your values, passions, and goals. What drives you? What do you want to achieve? Once you have clarity on these aspects, let them guide your actions and decisions. Stand tall in the face of challenges, stay true to your beliefs, and watch as respect naturally follows in your wake. Number 2. Master the art of silence. In a world that seems to constantly clamor for our attention, there is immense power in silence. It's not about being mute, but rather about knowing when to speak and when to listen, when to act and when to observe. Mastering the art of silence is about harnessing the potency of restraint and mindfulness in our interactions with others. Think of the most influential leaders throughout history. Many of them were known not only for their stirring speeches, but also for their ability to listen intently and choose their words wisely. Nelson Mandela, for instance, was revered for his calm demeanor and ability to foster dialogue, even in the most contentious situations. Silence, when used purposefully, commands attention and respect. It conveys a sense of thoughtfulness, wisdom, and self-control. It allows you to gauge the room, understand the dynamics at play, and respond in a manner that is both tactful and effective. To master the art of silence, practice active listening in your conversations. Instead of eagerly awaiting your turn to speak, focus on truly understanding what the other person is saying. Pause before responding, allowing your words to carry weight and meaning. Embrace moments of silence as opportunities for reflection and introspection. Number 3. Show respect to others. Respect is a two-way street, and if you want to command it, you must first be willing to give it. Showing respect to others is not merely a gesture of kindness. It's a reflection of your character and values. It's about acknowledging the inherent worth and dignity of every individual, regardless of their background or beliefs. Consider the wise words of Maya Angelou. I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. When you treat others with respect, you leave a lasting impression that transcends any words exchanged. But showing respect goes beyond mere pleasantries. It's about actively listening, valuing diverse perspectives, and practicing empathy. It's about recognizing the humanity in others and treating them with dignity and kindness, even in the face of disagreement or conflict. To truly command respect, make it a priority to show respect to everyone you encounter, from the CEO in the boardroom to the janitor in the hallway. Cultivate a culture of inclusivity and compassion in your interactions, and watch as respect becomes not just something you receive, but something you inspire in others. Number 4. Project an air of mystery. There's something undeniably intriguing about a person shrouded in mystery, someone who doesn't reveal everything about themselves at first glance. Projecting an air of mystery doesn't mean being aloof or unapproachable. Rather, it's about maintaining a sense of intrigue and allure that captivates those around you. Think of iconic figures like James Bond or Audrey Hepburn. They exuded an aura of mystery that drew people in, leaving them wanting to know more. Similarly, you can cultivate this mystique by balancing openness with discretion, revealing just enough to pique curiosity without giving away everything. One way to project an air of mystery is to cultivate a rich inner life. Engage in hobbies, pursue passions, and cultivate interests that make you unique. Embrace complexity and depth, and don't be afraid to keep certain aspects of yourself private. Leave room for interpretation, allowing others to fill in the blanks with their own imaginations. But remember, mystery should never be a facade for deceit or manipulation. It's about authenticity and self-awareness, knowing when to share and when to hold back. By mastering this delicate balance, you can cultivate an aura of intrigue that commands respect and leaves a lasting impression wherever you go.